Primary sources are essential to students learning about history. There's no better way to understand events in the past than by examining the sources, whether journals, newspaper articles, letters, court case records, novels, or artwork that people from that period left behind. With the Gale Artemis Primary Sources app in MindTap, instructors can add primary source materials to their course to help illuminate historical concepts for their students. To show you an example of how this works, I've logged into my Challenge of Democracy, American Government MindTap course. As you can see, I am in Week 3, Chapter 16, Equality and Civil Rights. If I click on the plus symbol at the top of the page to add an activity, and I choose the Gale Artemis Primary Sources Documents app, from here, you can search Artemis primary sources from Gale to locate relevant primary source materials to integrate into the course. As an instructor, perhaps I want to find some relevant material to add to the course on desegregation. After executing my search, I can locate materials such as monographs, manuscripts, newspapers and periodicals, magazines, and images. In addition, I can limit to specific database collections, such as the Associated Press, the Times Digital Archive, the Financial Times, and other materials held by my library. Let's take a look at the results provided. Here are my monographs. Down below are manuscripts. This manuscript on desegregation from the Associated Press collections looks interesting. I'm going to click on the title of the document to view the material. This is perfect. This will help my students understand the concept of the desegregation order in the Southern United States. From here, I'm going to add this document to my course by clicking on the Add to MindTap link at the top of the page. Now I can add or modify a title for this activity. I can even provide instructions for the students in the description field, as well as giving a due date for the activity. After you have the title, description, and due date filled out, as an instructor, you can determine where you want to place this activity in your course. After you make that determination, simply click on the Save button. From the student's perspective, they will now be able to access the primary source material right from the MindTap course framework.